we got red chair, emerald. I gotta run. Yo guys, so we just arrived on top of Whistler Mountain. It's been snowing all day, maybe 20 new centimeters. Busy up here today too.
20 would be unreal. I'm hoping for like 6 inches, whatever that is in centimeters.
It is, okay, I got a plan. Follow me. Ready, man?
Yeah, so ready for this week of snow, dude. Let's get it.
I think there's some lines down here and we can just zigzag back and forth through the trees.
Sick, let's do it.
We're doing a short hike here, guys. Just trying to get away from all the crowds. The run we're doing on Whistler is called Raven. It's like a steep black run, one of my favorites. Because this chair up here is closed, it's hard to get to. So we should have some fresh snow to ride through. It'll be hopefully the run of the day.
Yeah.
So I think the best line is to stay like close to the trees. Like don't go in the trees, but just beside. There'll probably be some poppers through there, some deep stuff. Watch it for logs.
Stay on the run or go into trees?
Yeah, stick close to the trees.
Close to the trees.
Yep. Left through that tree line. You wanna try it?
Yeah.
All right.
Sure.
Don't run over me if I fall.
All right, I won't. I promise.
Okay, let's go. Sorry, man. Yeah, we went too far left. Gotta hike out, but that was pretty cool.
Oh man, was it worth it? It was worth it.
Still early conditions up here, not completely filled in, still dodging some tree stumps and roots. Almost there. Today we got the full range of conditions. We got the ice through the bank slalom. We got the powder on top of the tree branches, bit of everything. I'm employing the nose up to battle my way through bushes snowboard technique. So if you guys need to use that in these early conditions, definitely give that one a try.
I met Kevin and TJ. What's the odds you're gonna see them, man? I'm in Whistler and it's snowing. 2 feet of powder right now. Chaco.
Awesome. All right, one more hike. Storm's rolling in, it's getting dark.
Yeah, we're cutting it down to the wire right now. It's getting dark quick.
This is one of those days where the last run of the day is the best. We had pretty much snow first thing this morning, and it's just been building up all day. I feel like we've had at least 25 centimeters through the day. So this should be a good one. Let's get it in before the lights go out.
It's
Oh,
just
dude.
one of those days.
Dude, I would be amazed if anyone gets that reference. That'd be awesome. Rap has changed so much.
All right, TJ, what are you feeling for food? We got sushi, ramen, splitsburger, Thai, Mexican.
That looks pretty bomb.
Awesome, guys, so thanks for watching today. Good mix of conditions up there. We got a storm on its way through Whistler at the moment, so hopefully lots of good days like this to come. Make up for some of that powder that TJ is missing in Colorado.
Oh yeah, it's coming, guys. I'm staying optimistic. It's dumping right now. Snow in the village, got the Christmas lights up. Season's kicking off.
Hope you guys are getting some snow where you are. Have fun out there riding. We'll see you in the next one soon.
Later, guys.